How to activate noise cancellation with One AirPod. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studios. If you want to turn on the noise cancellation feature with the One AirPod, then here's how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. You can simply go and open up the settings app from your iPhone and then scroll down, tap on Bluetooth here. Now inside the Bluetooth, you'll get to see the AirPods Pro is connected. So you just need to tap on this I button beside that, and this will get into the AirPods Pro settings. And you just need to scroll down from this page a little bit and then scroll down and simply go ahead and tap on accessibility from here. Now once you're here inside the accessibility, scroll down, you'll get to see the option noise cancellation with One AirPod. You just toggle off, you just need to toggle on this option, and from now you can actually use the noise cancellation feature on the AirPods Pro. You just need to get back from here and then scroll up, and you can go ahead and just enable the noise cancellation, and now you can use the noise cancellation feature with the One AirPod. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.